Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your first class. You have to log into your tutor portal and go to the classes page by clicking on the classes tab on your left sidebar, and then click on the create class button here. Here you can enter the name of your class in a way that you can recognize this. So for example, I'm gonna use if you have, and then you have two options here. So either you can create a recurring class. If it's a class that's happening every week, you can choose recurring, or if it's just a one-time class like a seminar, you can choose one time. And you need to choose, if it's a recurring class, you need to choose what's your first day, what's the first date that you are starting this class with EdTech Global. So let's say if I'm starting the class today on 18th and it's a Sunday, then I need to give the time that the class will be performed. So let's say it's from 9 to 10 a.m. You can actually add multiple days. So if you have multiple days of, per week, you can actually click on that button, and let's say if the class is also on Wednesday from 9 to 10, you can add like this. Here you can decide the fees for the class. If you are a solo tutor or if you are an admin, you can choose the fee for the class, let's say 2,000. And here these two options are usually auto-filled from your settings. If you have not watched that, you can watch our video on how to configure your institute. Here you have two options to select your meeting platform. If you configure this properly in settings, you don't need to do this every time, but you have the option of changing them per each class. So you can choose what meeting platform that you are gonna create this class in, whether it's a secure class. So by secure class we mean that we'll be specifically registering these users on Zoom, and anyone, if the student for example shares the link with someone else and they try to join, they won't be able to join because Zoom recognizes that these are from two different devices and they block the access to the student. So you need to turn this on if you need to make your class really secure and private, and make sure only the paid students can attend the class. And then the other option is to enable recording by default. So if it's a Zoom meeting, when you start the meeting, the recording will automatically start. And here also you have a couple of options whether the recording needs to save to your cloud, which is the cloud that we provide, or you can also choose whether the class needs to be streamed to YouTube. And then here under additional details, you can choose the subject for your class, and if this has a description, you can enter the description here, and whether the class needs to be on published to the public classes catalog page. So you need to turn that on, and you press create class. You can see this is the class we created. So if you go inside the class by clicking on it, you can actually see all the sessions related to this class created like this, and you have the option of starting the class and editing the class here. Right, thank you for watching the video.